Hello all, this is Vasi from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is the basic of cloud computing. So cloud computing is nothing but whenever we are in traditional way, if you want to store any information means we have to store any local device. So which means each and every data is stored in a local manner. So if you want to access in location independent or time independent, it is too complexity for retrieving the data and processing the data. So to avoid this problem, we are moving the data into digitalized. So next step, we are moving into the networking concept. So in that networking, wired communication, wireless communication, so that will be processed. So wired communication means we are using the cables and we can processing the data, we can storing the data, we can transferring the data, and we can maintain the data. So wireless communication means each and every data will be transferred through air, which means wireless network, through fiber optic terms, or else any CDMA or FDMA. Likewise, we are just transmitting the data through wireless. So through air we can transmitting the data. So cloud is the next level of data transmission. If you want to store the huge amount of data, we can store in some other location. Okay, so in 24/7, and it is a time independent, and also it is a cost a little bit higher compared to the previous stages. So cloud computing is nothing but we have to store the information in globally. So we cannot really we cannot analyze, or we cannot view any data. So the entire information stored in a virtual format. So that is called as a cloud computing. So in this cloud computing, they are offering more majorly three number of services. So one is IaaS. So it is called as an infrastructure as a services. So it is purely depends on the high level transmission. The next one is PaaS. So this is called as a platform as a services. So this is the middle level of data processing services. And last one, SaaS, software as a services. So here we are performing all the information through in the terms of software as a services. So here, if you are looking at this diagram, the hierarchy level is placed in a IaaS, then PaaS, then SaaS. So this is the flow. How the data is actually processed means the top to bottom. So here it is fully maintained by cloud server. So this is the host level processing. So the second one is the middle level. So it is purely depends on platform dependent. So first one is all is purely depends on infrastructure oriented. So this is the top level management process, and also it provides services based on the infrastructure. The next PaaS, platform as a services, it is processing and also act as a mediator for between the IaaS and SaaS. So then last one is the SaaS. So it is purely depends on service based and software services based. So here it is the final use. So here who is a major data processing term is, then the next services is SaaS. So this is called as in software as a services. So here who is a majorly playing a role means the end user. So that's why it is called as in software as a services. So which means it is purely working on top to bottom level. So it is the host level processing or truly done on infrastructure as a services. Then program level or else any so PaaS is platform as a services. It is act as a middle level processing. Then finally the SaaS is the end user level processing. So majorly these three are called as an cloud services, and also other kind of services also available, that is called as an FaaS. So that is called as an function as a services. So here whatever the process we have made, so entirely done through by the function. So that is called as this functional level services. So these are the very basic concepts of cloud computing. So what is the main objective means we have to allocate the resources, and also we have to avoid the high performance, and also we have to perform or retrieve the data in time independent and also environmental friendly. Thank you.